Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos coming soon to my channel. Today I'm actually working with acrylic. I've been doing a lot of polygel nails, and so today I decided to bust out the practice hand and play with some acrylic I got here. I wanted to do a very cute, simple pink glitter ombre. I'm using my Unicorn Crush from Glitterbels, such a pretty color. And then I'm also going to be using the Cherry Blossom from Young Nails. And I do this in my home. This is actually in my room. I have to use odorless monomer, which you gotta do what you gotta do, but there's a learning curve to it. So I apply a lot of beads. You have to wait for it to dry before you start to work the product, and I get really impatient. So I actually give myself more work to do because I end up wiping off a lot of the product since I don't wait. But I'm learning with that, and yeah, a lot of this is very repetitive, so I'm just gonna let you watch this. Quick side note, I was going to use the little strawberries that you see on the napkin there, but it didn't look right when I was applying them, so I just ditched that whole thing.
So handsome, oh, you have your way, and it's making me weaken. You and your stylist, walking like that. It's really getting too much, but I can't pull back. Though I try to resist, I can't fight this. And no one makes me feel like you do. Try to sleep, but you're deep in my mind. Got a hold of me. When I'm awake, I'm all blind. You and your magic, like infinite power. God knows I tried to resist, but you're pulling me closer. Oh, I gotta stay away, but you won't let me. No one makes me feel like you do, and no one sets my body on fire, and no one gives me shivers like you. Oh, no one does it
If you're enjoying this video, if you could give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Tell me what kind of videos you like watching. Do you prefer acrylic videos or polygel? Do you like builder gel nails? Do you like to use dual forms? Do you like to use full cover tips? Just curious to know what you guys think so I can keep in mind for future videos on my channel.
I miss that sexy smile, looking forward to see you. I hope I will lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time, just us loving you all night long. I can let you go, baby, it's the right, we already know, and we feel it. I really do, I said the truth, we can't go any road. Need you now. I'm your queen and you the king right now. It's a kingdom, let's play it how you like. How does it make you feel? Or you wanna change? I'll be whatever, what you like. We can dance, you got to move tonight. Stars are watching us in the sky. I wanna last it forever. It's a sexy smile, looking forward to see you. I hope I won't lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time, just us loving you all night long. I can let you go, baby, it's the right, we already know, and we feel it. I really do, I said the truth, we can't go any road. Need you now. Let's change the clothes, we have a drive. You know how you make me feel alive.
Going in now with my Young Nails Core Clear Acrylic just to cap all of those off, so when I file, I don't file off any of the color. And with odorless monomer, it leaves a sticky residue on the top. You can do two things. You can file it off, or you can soak the nails in warm water for about a minute. That's what I do. I just take the nails out of the hand and place them in a bowl of warm water for a minute, and that gets that residue off of there. And then I file and buff them out of the hand also, because it's much easier that way. And I do that off camera because I'm kind of all over the place when I'm holding these little nails and trying to file them as straight as possible.
I already know better. 24K got nothing on me. Make you want it forever. Try to play a game, but you don't play for keeps. Messing with a girl from the east side, yeah. Kinda love you, wanna build your dreams on, yeah. But I already know better. I'm a go-getter and I got me, I'm good. I'm head over shoes on hardwood. For me, you know I wrote the book. I'm moving along from somebody wrong, so go ahead. Tell me all the ways you miss it. How you want me back in your bed. But I'm not around for hearing you out. I gave you too much honestly, and you closed the door. Now you're calling me, but I don't need you anymore. Yeah, I already know better. 24K got nothing on me. Make you want it forever. Try to play a game, but you don't play for keeps. Messing with a girl from the east side, yeah. Kinda love you, wanna build your dreams on, yeah. But I already know better. I'm a go-getter and I got me on my own, and I don't waste any time chasing a ghost who don't try. I'm top of the shelf, but you help yourself to somebody else. It's too late. Don't really care about all of your mistakes. You were out of your league in the first.
After I file, shape, and buff off camera, I'm going in with my Madame Glam No Wipe top coat, going through and top coating all the nails. And I wanted to keep this pretty simple, so I ended up finding this cute little pom pom I found on the Attitude Shop. It is so cute. The little pom poms are adorable. So I'm using a cute little pink fluffy one. They come in all different colors. I got a few that I wanted to use, but I'm applying it with Young Nails nail glue. I didn't want to use any polygel or anything like that because I kind of just wanted to pop it off when I was done so I could use it again. I haven't popped it off yet, so I'm hoping that it's not ruined, but super cute anyways.
Not even surprised that you let me down, down, down. I gave you too much honestly, and you closed the door. Now you're calling me, but I don't need you anymore. Yeah, I already know better. 24
After I apply the top coat, I like to take my finger and just run it down both sides of the nails on all of them, just so I can clean up anything that may have spilled over. If you do apply too much nail polish or top coat, you can lose the shape of the nail, and we already did all our filing, so we don't want to give us more work to do. So just clean that up a little bit before you cure it in the light for a full 60 seconds. The little pom-pom is a magnetic attachment, so you just glue the magnet down onto the nail and then you pop the little pom-pom right on top of that. Fluff it out a bit, make sure it looks good. Put some rings on it. For those cute nail feet pics, this is the finished look. I think they turned out so cute. What do you guys think? Comment down below, tell me what you think. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you. Please like and subscribe, and I really hope to see you in my next one. Bye!